everyone, it's the Hippie Queen, and today I'm with some personal friends. Izzy, hello! Sister from another mister. Polly. And I'm going to go find my boyfriend. Be in my YouTube video. This is my boyfriend. My boyfriend, say hi. Hi. He's a small, but I like it. Boyfriend. Lol. Boys are playing football. This is Logan. Subscribe to his channel. It's Logan. Ethan again. It's Ryan. Everybody else playing football.
Yeah.
Widows. Yeah.
Widows.
We're also at the park. If you can see it in the background. Don't show them the park. You might just get a bit too famous, and they might want to follow you. Like so. Exactly. So they want to know where I am all the time. So, just a daily vlog. So exciting. Make sure to go follow Snazzy101 at their YouTube channel. See you all next time. Bye.